Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and also I would like to say happy Monday to you all. So I wanted to first let you all know that I know I normally post videos on Fridays, but I will also be posting videos on Mondays. If I post videos on Mondays, they'll be bonus videos. So those will be bonus Mondays because I usually post videos once a week. And I think especially because it is December, I will be doing a lot of, I think I will be having a little bit more bonus videos. So that's pretty exciting. 2 videos in 1 week, which is not really what I'm planning to do. Well, no. It's not that I'm not planning to do it, it's not on my schedule or my agenda. I usually just post videos on Fridays, but like I said, sometimes I'll have bonus Mondays. So that's fun. So today is bonus Monday for you all, which is pretty exciting. So, I know Mondays suck, okay, but bonus Mondays are pretty fun. So this is gonna be fun. So today is, like I said, is an unboxing video. So this might be the last unboxing of this kind. We will see. But here is the box. This, my friends, is FabFitFun, the FabFitFun Winter 2020. And this might be the last kind of unboxing. It depends on what happens in the spring. It all depends on everything, but we'll see. So for right now, it might be the last one. We'll see what happens. Let's see. So I'm just gonna open this box. And this is probably the only time I'll have such a big box. I don't know. The other times I've just gotten the box. But this time I got something just a little bit different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in this box. Pretty heavy. Okay. I got it open. We did it. Okay, we got the box. So everyone, this is the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. Woohoo! Let me go ahead and take a selfie for the thumbnail. So I'm gonna use my phone. Okay, so now we're gonna open the box. Let's see. Okay, ready for the big reveal? Here it is. Here is that wasn't fun. Okay. Here is the big reveal. So this is the box. Okay. Y'all want to see what's in it? So let's go ahead and take out the wrapping. Take out the wrapping. So as always, we have the FabFitFun Winter magazine, and this season is Katie Couric. So here's the FabFitFun Winter magazine, and then a little sticker, Winter 2020 sticker. And then there's always some gift cards in here and some coupon codes. So we'll go ahead and not show you all that because I don't want you guys to get any coupon codes for free. And then, so let's see. So let's go ahead and put the box right behind me. So first we have the Guardian Angel Botanique, I think. Botanique Beauty Revitalizing Eye Gels. So some skincare right off the bat, which is nice. And then some Kate Spade socks. from Kate Spade socks. Next, after the Kate Spade socks, we have a burgundy headband from Tellez-Giron, I think. After that, we have some Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Star blemish patches. More skincare. And then we have this weird thing. Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. So a little blush, which I need blush. I don't really have many blushes. And then this is the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. So more skincare, which is pretty nice. And then something that I could get from the store, which I saw some people complain about this in the Facebook FabFitFun group, but it's a Kind dark chocolate nuts and sea salt granola bar. I might like this. This actually looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and try this. I don't really have any granola bars. Let's see, is that all that's in there? That's all that's in there. Okay. And the big things we have, I chose these ones for sure. I know for sure I chose this one. And this one's the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mug. It's out of 2. And I'm really excited for this because I like mugs. And these ones were cute. Ow! I got acrylic nails not too long ago, and I need to get them off. It's been a month since I've had them. I honestly don't like them. It makes everything much harder for me. It's not my real nail. So I'm gonna try and get them off this week because I don't want them on my nails anymore. I want these acrylic nails off. They're pretty, but they're not that nice. Okay, so I got it open. I'm so excited for these because they look smaller, but they feel so heavy duty, they feel pretty heavy duty, which is very amazing. They smell like tea, like they put tea bags. Look at these, they're so pretty. Just this blue, purple, green floral print, and I love blue and purple are my favorite colors. And then it has the gold handle, so this is a really pretty mug, and it's pretty big too. It looks smaller. And then on the inside there's a little gold flower that says XX Lily. And at the bottom, it just has Lily Pulitzer. So I'm really excited for these. My mom and I can have tea, and we love tea, so we can have tea and have a little tea party. Just kidding. We don't really do tea parties, but you know what I mean. Tea for breakfast, tea for lunch, tea for dinner. Like I said, my mom and I can both use them because it's a set of 2, which is pretty great. Here's the other one, just the same exact thing. Super excited for these 2. Gotta wash them in the kitchen now. Okay. And one of the last things, but not least, I chose the Unhide gray blanket. I actually got the Unhide last season. So here's my Unhide from last season right here. This is the cream one, and I think I'm going to give this one to my mom, and I'll keep the gray one. This one the gray one I feel will go more towards, fit more with my colors in my room, because I do have some grays in my room, and I don't really, grays and whites. I have more grays and whites in my room. So for sure the gray one I'll give to my mom. So that'll be a little nice surprise for her, but here's the gray one. I love this blanket. It's so soft. It does shed a lot though, which I don't like. It sheds. It's like a dog, it sheds. And it's like a human, it sheds too, but I don't know. But this is the gray one, so I'm excited for this one. And last but not least, so I've never done this before, but I got an add-on. Not an add-on, an extra customization option. I've never done that before, but I did really like this, and my mom might like this too. This is the Impressions Vanity Company Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. Just this white one, and I think this one will be really useful for doing makeup, which I know I don't really do that much, but I do plan to when the pandemic is over, or when we can stop wearing masks. And I'm sorry I keep looking down, I hurt my finger, and it hurts a lot, so I need to get that fixed by getting these nails off. But yeah, so that is everything that I got. Now I have to clean up my room and put everything away, because that's what happens when I get FabFitFun. I take everything out and then I need to put it all away. But yeah, so I'm really excited for this season's box. I really hope I can make it work to get another the spring 2021 box, but this was really fun unboxing the winter 2020 box. I've used FabFitFun since fall 2020, and I'm excited for what's to come. I know there are some people who are not, but they're entitled to their own opinions, as I am to mine. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, it's totally free, and you just get to see more of my videos and be notified of when I post a video. Also, comment down below if you have FabFitFun, or if you have any subscription boxes that you enjoy using. And yeah, so that's it for you today. I'll see you all on Friday, and bye everyone.